this is Clang and I am the leader of the group.
Hey guys, I am Ray and I am the assistant leader of the group.
Hey guys, I'm Mark and I'm the assistant secretary.
What? Wow!
Hi, this is Hannah and I am the secretary of the group.
I need to research something, but I don't know exactly. Ever had to do a project and got stuck wondering what kind of research to do? Let's make it easy.
There's a lot of research type we use. First is descriptive research. What is descriptive research? Describe and record facts, characteristics, or situations as they are not changing or testing anything. Example, surveying classmates about their favorite snack.
Second, what is experimental research? Experimental research is test cause and effect by changing one factor and comparing between groups. Example, testing if background music helps students get a higher score on a quiz. Third, quotational research. It looks for a relationship or link between two things. It does not prove one causes the another. Example, checking if number of hours of sleep relates to your grades.
Historical research. Historical research studies past events, records, or changes over time using old documents or evidences. For example, how the school canteen menus changes over time.
So that's all for our research presentation. Bye-bye!
Bye!
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 Third.
Wala ko script ko yun.
Research. I'm the leader of the group. Wait lang, wala yung ikutin.